I don't think people understand how one tiny swap can slash travel costs. I'll show 3 underrated pieces that pay for themselves on trip 1. Ready? First, an inflatable day pack compresses flat, carries 25L, and cuts checked bag fees. Next, a solid-state mini-stove, no liquid fuel, cooks fast, fits in your palm. Third, a UV water straw purifier, beats bulky filters, treats water in 90 seconds. Fun stat: recent surveys show multi-use gear can reduce trip spending by roughly a third. Quick tip: buy from brands with lifetime warranties, you'll save more long-term. Follow for more wallet-friendly solo travel hacks.